Check this out. See the hawk? He's been sitting there for quite some time. But he's being harassed by this squirrel. I got great pictures of it. This seems to happen every winter. It's usually a baby squirrel who doesn't know what he's dealing with. Perhaps he does now, because that hawk went after him. And as that was happening, a murder of crows were on the lawn in the snow, eating a bird. It killed a bird. Yes, crows do that. I have not seen them in a long time. Today's January 8th, 2024. It has significant meaning to me. January 8th. I lost my beloved pet, Siena, in 2019. And the crows were all surrounding her little plaque I have out there in the garden for her. So I thank nature. For her awesome show. Where's that squirrel? Isn't he beautiful? Look at the eyes. Cooper's hawk. Hungry. It's a juvenile, not an adult yet. Oh, the crows are back. Let's see if I can. I'm in my house. Oh, that squirrel. He keeps trying. This is hilarious. This is nature at its finest. There they are. Welcome, my friends. It's been a while. I love them. But they chase the squirrels too. They can't stand them. It's hilarious. I got it on camera. There's the little one who's trying to go after the hawk. Now he sees the crows. Action-packed. I'm shooting from inside. And the hawk is just watching everything, like they always do. Watching and waiting, I say. And there's a squirrel at my door. That crow's got something going on. Maybe he's his leftover meal. Look who's waiting for me. Hey, you silly one. What's going on out there? What's all the ruckus going on? What are they eating? What are those crows eating? Your buddy better be careful. Yeah, they'll stalk you out. You got a hawk and you got these crows. There's 5 of them. And they chase those squirrels. I watched them. This guy better watch out. This little one over here. Squirrel meat. A meeting of the minds. Fly. Yes. Beautiful. And Coop is still sitting there watching the show in the sun. Beautiful. Peace and be wild. Amazing nature. Gotta love it. I do.